Hello, good day. My name is Topman Paul-Dike. If you're interested in this video, I want to believe that you're a newbie in LAX SE. So welcome to Code Tribe Extra. I want to teach us how to use our phones to do our projects. There are several apps that you can download from the Google Play Store that will help you practice C in your phone. But then, of course, they have the limitations. You need a terminal to be able to do your projects with your phone, and I'm going to introduce us to two terminals. So you don't need to use your browser to do your project, but you use an app in your phone. So let's visit the Google Play Store, and I'll show you these two apps and how to use them. The first one I'm going to introduce us to is termux. It's a very interesting app. It's a paid app anyway, but free for the first 14 days. If you are interested, you may want to install it. But then there's another one called termux. Here it is, termux. It's a very, very powerful app. I don't recommend that you download it from Google Play. There are other sources actually. So I have, as you can see, I have termius, I have termux, I have Slack. These are apps that you need, So let's go ahead and install termux. I got it from Zender, as you can see. Settings. I need to allow it to install. Allow, and then install. Okay, there it is. As you can see it. So I'm going to open it. Now it's booted. So disregard these things. Okay. So the first thing you want to do is PKG upgrade, and wait for it to upgrade. Press Y. Enter Y. I mean to say when it says do you want to continue? All right. Okay, when you get to this point, there are options here. As you can see, you may not understand it now, but just enter N, uppercase N, and press enter. So it's going to appear several times. Keep doing the same thing. Capital letter N or uppercase N, whichever one you call it, and enter. Okay, we are done with that. So pkg install root repo is the next command I'm going to do. So these are installations I'm doing. Pkg install x11 repo. They are necessary installations. I think so. Okay, so let me clear my screen. Don't mind me. Okay, if I try to connect to the sandbox now, I may get some error because one more thing is remaining to install. That is pkg install open ssh. So you do that. Press enter Y to continue. So we are good. We are good with this. So how do you connect? There's a box on the intranet. Please don't mind what I'm doing now. There's a box on the intranet that looks like this. If you click on it, SSH. If you click on it, it says copied. That's how you copy your SSH. So you come to your intranet, to your app, and paste it. Press enter. It will give you a message if you're a beginner. If it's the first time, so you enter yes, and it will ask for password. Go back to the intranet. There's your password there as well. You can click on it. That's how you copy it. Paste it here. Now when you paste it, the cursor will not move. Nothing will show, but it has actually pasted. So you go ahead and press enter. That's how it works. It works. Okay, see, now we are inside the sandbox. Let me clear the screen. So like this is it. You can go ahead and do your projects now. You can go ahead and do your projects normally. Everything will work. You can check. You can use your phone straight and do. Okay, I am CD home. So let me install the other one as well and show you how to use it. Termux. Let's install it. Install. Okay, it's installed now. So we will launch it. You can see it on the screen there. Open it, and then this one is a bit different. We don't need SSH this time. We don't need that button. So we click this plus button to add. So I click there. I click on new host. So you need something like this on your intranet. SSH is not needed here. Okay, so I choose to enter Ubuntu 20.04. It could be anything. So you paste your host. Here you have this, and SSH must be checked. Port 22, your name and your password, and you have something like this. Don't mind that thing rolling there. Just press and connect. That's it. So again, we are inside the sandbox. You can start working, right? So you can customize these buttons here to the one you want, to put what you want here. Don't worry, you understand as you make progress. And several customizations you can customize. Let me exit and show you some things. I can choose a dark theme. By just clicking on themes, it becomes dark. So you see, I can add some more sandboxes, like by pressing the plus buttons. I can do several things. Just pay attention to them if you are interested. So that's it. This is it. You can do your project from your phone. Thank you very much for watching, and do it to please follow me on GitHub, on YouTube, on Twitter, on Facebook, on LinkedIn. Let's connect. And before I go, you would have observed that I used whiteboard at some point rather than showing the real thing. I couldn't help it. For certain reasons, I had to do that. It was intentional. So this is what I mean. Even the app wouldn't let you record this part or screenshot this part. It's protected. So this other one is from the intranet. We are not allowed to display the content of the intranet. And this one is from the app. It's easy to figure out if you want to use termux. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you.